Let's go back. Where's the line?
His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi, Grand accompanied by the special guest of honor, His Excellency, the Governor of Zamfara State, Dr. Ighodalo.
Because I'm a man of peace, a man of love, a man of unity and progress, equal rights and justice.
It is my honor to be in my place again, this time not for campaign, but to commission a project that was conceived on the 28th of May, the year of our Lord 2023. This project was flagged off by the previous administration. We took over this project, redesigned this project, and gave it the standard that it has today. This is because it is a project that has to do with me. It is a project that my people will see, and it speaks for me. So I'm happy that I'm here to inaugurate this project. It gives me so much joy. Honestly, in my place, I don't need to say anything. What am I going to say to you? That is the truth. I know your problems. I know your faces, and I know your names. I know what we need. So I will just say thank you for all the support. You stood by us when it mattered most, and I'm happy that that decision was not a mistake. We're still standing very strong and stronger every day. I have an appeal. The appeal that I want to make to this great kingdom is continue to be peaceful. It is noted for its peaceful nature. So it's not a mistake when people say Fubara is peaceful. Opobo is only the only LGA. We're not saying we are crime free, but the level of our crime here is manageable. It hasn't gotten to that level where we can control. It's because of the understanding, the interrelationship, the intermarriage. We are all connected. So I'm begging you, continue to maintain this peace. Other things are going to come. We intend to bring a higher institution to this place. We also will do more land reclamation because our major problem here is land. We also will look for a way to make sure that we build more men empower you so that you will not depend on me. And you know that me, I have a problem. If I have to help you, I have to justify the help. I'm not that type that dash money freely. I have to know what I want to give you the money for. So, but we will do all we can to make sure that we create the enabling environment where more people will be gainfully employed and empowered. That is the only way Opobo will grow. Finally, I don't need to say anything. It's my house. So I know where the kitchen is, I know where the pot of soup is, I know where you reserve the dried fish and all those things. So what am I going to say here? Do I need to campaign to you? I'm asking. Like I said, continue to believe in this government, support this government, and we'll do our best to uplift and position Opobo in the heart and the proper place among the local governments in these states. Let me thank the chairman especially. When I came in, I saw how this place was really did a lot. And also the committee, not only you, I know only you can do it with your committee. I know people have a lot of programs, a lot of people want to dance, want to do this, want to do that. Okay, is there. Ambassador is there. The other one is there. But please, just reserve it. When we come for fun fair, I won't be in a hurry. That day I might likely sleep. So you can come and show me all the dance steps. And maybe we'll compete and see whether you can dance more than me. So let me thank every one of you. And invite our special guest of honor. This is my place. I don't have anything to tell them. I already know their problem. Like I said, I appreciate your support. Believe in this government. God doesn't start and stop halfway. That is the only important thing we should know. But the fact that he has started, he will complete the journey with us. Let me invite the special guest of honor to come and speak to these people. Are your people now. In fact, you are now not just rivers, and you are now an Opobo man. Speak to your people.
My colleague, brother, and friend, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara. Your Excellency, the former Governor of Rivers State, Your Excellency Professor Mrs. Ngozi, the Deputy Governor, Rivers State, Honorable Speaker, distinguished senators and members of the National Assembly that are here, our royal fathers, including the chairman of Rivers State Traditional Council of Traditional Rulers, invited guests, distinguished members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is with immense pleasure and gratitude that I stand on this momentous occasion to commission the Opobo Ring Road and Bridges projects in Rivers State. I'm deeply honored by the invitation of His Excellency, my brother, Governor Siminalayi Fubara, to participate in this memorable occasion that opens a new chapter in the development of Opobo, Nkoro, local government areas of Rivers State. I'm truly humbled by this honor. The completion of these ambitious projects is a clear demonstration of the vision and dedication of Rivers State government under the exemplary leadership of Governor Fubara. It is a reflection of commitment of His Excellency to infrastructural development as well as improving the socio-economic conditions and well-being of the River State. Development of infrastructure, as we know, it is a cornerstone of economic growth as well as social progress. The Opobo roads and bridges will undoubtedly enhance connectivity, promote trade, facilitate access to essential services for the residents of this area, as well as the entire environment. The benefit of creation of a better transportation links will no doubt spur economic activities and open up new opportunities for communities in and outside of the states. The enhanced infrastructure will surely attract investment, boost tourism, and improve the sense of pride and belonging among the people of Opobo. I must acknowledge that Your Excellency visionary leadership resonates deeply with the commitment of my administration of transforming the social and economic infrastructure of Zamfara State. We share a common vision that robust infrastructure is fundamental to nurturing economic activities and uplifting standard of living of our people. Excellency, in Zamfara, we are making remarkable strides by constructing, rehabilitating key projects throughout the state, and that is exactly what you are doing in River State. For example, the ongoing Gusau International Airport, as well as the construction of extensive network of rural and urban roads, are clear testimonies to our desire to improve and modernize critical infrastructure, which in the long run will improve life and activity of our electorate. These projects align with our shared vision to create opportunities and lay solid foundation for sustainable growth and development. I commend my brother, Governor Fubara, and his entire administration for the unwavering commitment to development of River State. This dedication to creating a better future for your people is truly inspiring and serve as a model for other states to emulate. Once again, I thank His Excellency for honoring of being part of this significant event. I'm confident that the people of Opobo, the ring roads and bridges will bring lasting benefits to the people of Opobo and contributing significantly to the overall development of the state. I'm full of pride for this achievement of my brother, Governor Fubara, and with all sense of humility and honor that to the glory of God and for the benefit of mankind, I will, after this commission, the Opobo Ring Roads and Bridges project today. May it serve the purpose it is intended for and stand as a beacon of development for this and the future generation to come. I therefore thank you for this wonderful opportunity. This is what democracy is all about. Keep making us proud. I'm so happy that you are not distracted and you stand tall to do all this for your people. Thank you very much. May God bless all of you. Thank you.